So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to tell you about the extensions of Java in VS Code. You should install these extensions before you run Java in VS Code. Firstly, go to the VS Code and go to the extension icon and search Java extensions. There is a that one, the extension pack for all Java. Click on install button and install this. When you install this, that all 6 extensions are automatically installed. So installation is done. Before you run the Java file, you should restart your VS Code. Go to the any folder. Yeah, show more properties. Open with VS Code. Yes. Now, okay, fine. File is working perfectly. One more extension I want to tell you, that run button. When you click on that run button, the code is run. That extension name is Search Code Runner, and this author Jun Han, Code Runner extension. You should install. I installed already. I'm telling you how to install. Reload required. Okay, install it. There. Then this play button will come in your right side. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.